Welcome back to another App Tech Guru video, where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Alight Motion video editor on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button, and then type in Alight Motion to begin your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on it, and this will take you into the application page, where you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and you can tap on the open button once you see it. You can also press the auto open toggle, which will automatically open up the application once the installation is done. When the application opens up, this will evaluate your video codec performance. After this is completed, you can start using the Alight Motion editing application on your device right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Alight Motion on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.